Hello. Hello guys. What is up? I forgot my name, but oh shoot. Let me retry. Let's join the server again. Why is that happening? If this is not gonna work, then we'll join a different game. Don't like this. Yep, I think it's not working anymore. Okay, yeah, let's try a different game. Hold on. Crazy ceiling fans. Okay, which one should I choose, I mean. Okay, let's find the game. Hey yo, what are you doing on my video again? Oh, get out of here, my friend. No, you're not my friend. Get out of here. What are you doing? Wait, no! Anyways, let's just get started with this video. Oh, it's an OG game that I played. Let's play this game, everybody. Oh, nobody's here. Okay. Okay, looks like nobody's here. What is this? Oh, it's a light. The heck? What the heck is this? What is this? Oh my, I don't know what to do. What is this? Mistral? I can't turn. What if I touch the fan? What the? Why is the dial spinning? That's strange. What is this? Oh, it's a scene. What's that? Oh, it's S and C. Ah, okay. Oh, loyal ceiling fan. Why this one is loyal? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck just happened? This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Oh, what the hell? What the heck is going on? How is it turning on that? What is it doing? Let me see if I can try to switch on this one. What is going on? What is going on? What is happening? What the heck? Why hot RPM speed ceiling fan? Oh my god, I collided with another ceiling fan. Trying to get out of it, but I needed the hammer. But unfortunately, they removed the hammer. No, stuck dangling with the ceiling fan. Let's see how Think spins. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck is happening? Hi, RTN. Oh my god. I could barely see my face. It looks like something that come out of something. Don't know what the hell is happening. Okay, this is very, very weird. I should turn these ceiling fans off. Sorry. Oh my god. This is... Hold on 1 second. Okay guys, this is the end of this short video. Bye.